going to see the sample implementation of proxy design pattern. I have already covered about the proxy design pattern theory, principles and real life examples in the previous video. If you haven't watched the video, please go and watch that video and then come to this video. The video link would be present at the description box of this video. And then if you want to buy software design patterns book, then the book link and the book name would be present at the description box of this video. You can click on that link for buying the book online on Amazon. So let's come to the point. So here we are taking a use case called download. So in our use case, we have to download a file xyz.movie from internet. So we have downloaded this xyz movie from internet, and 3 of our friends are asking this movie. So we can do 2 things. So first one is we can once again download this movie from internet and then give this copy to our friends. And the second approach is we have already downloaded this movie from the internet. So we have that copy, we have the copy in our local machine. We can give that copied version to our friends. So if we follow the first approach, then we would spend much more data and also the time. If we follow the second approach, then we could have saved some amount of data and also time. So we are trying to implement this using proxy design pattern in this video. So here this is a download interface. In this download interface, there is only one abstract method called void download. So this is a download interface. Here we have only one abstract method called void download. And then there are 2 implementation classes, real download and the proxy download. Real download downloads the required target file from the internet, and it will store in its variable. So this is a real download. Here real download, which implements download interface, and it has 2 local class variables called target field and then target data. Target field is the file that we need to target file is the file that needs to be downloaded from internet. Target data is the downloaded data of the target file. So here the constructor, real download constructor, here we need to specify the target file that needs to be downloaded. Yeah, and then when we call this constructor, this method would be executed, download from internet. So if we look at the download from internet, here what is happening is this dot target data. This is a target data that is getting assigned. Here this is a test data is getting assigned into test dot target data. And then since it implements a download interface, we need to override the download method. Here we are overriding the download method, system.out.println this dot target data. Here we are printing the downloaded data. And then there is a second implementing class that implements download interface, which is proxy download. Here what we are trying to do is we are trying to have the real download object as a field in proxy download object. So here what we are trying to do is, if anyone calls this download method, then first we will try to create the real download object. So if real download equal to null, then we will try to create the real download object using the target file. For the second, third, fourth and the next successive times, we are not trying to create the real download object because it will check whether it's null. So for the second, third, fourth time, the real download won't be null. So this stage would be skipped, and then we will try to return the local copied data. So this is the concept behind the proxy design pattern use case. Here proxy demo. First what we are trying to do is we are trying to create the object for proxy download class. This is download, xyz.movie is the target file, and then we are trying to print the data, download. For the first time what it will happen is if real download equal to null. For the first time real download would be null, and then real download equal to new real download. For the first time, for the first invocation, the real download object would be created. For the next successive invocation and method invocations, this real download object won't be created. It will return the locally copied data. So that's the idea behind this sample implementation. If you have any other doubts, please try to comment those in the comment section. I will try to explain whenever I get time. Thanks for watching this video.